Hello students. Today's lesson that is for second term, that is mass media and history. Now what is mass media? Mass means aggregation of people and media means modes of communication. According to the order of the king, a crier would run in the streets beating drums and conveys news in the earlier times. Then the news would spread among people by word of mouth. Every time we require the communication is very important. So right from the earlier times also different means of communication modes were used. Now during British period, people started receiving printed news through newspapers after the arrival of the British. Newspaper become a medium of circulating news, information and knowledge. Then history of newspaper, when it is started, because today also in today's generation also modern period also, that though we are having television, internet, but still newspaper plays an important role. Newspaper is a publication which mainly prints news, editorials, people's opinions and other contents. It is distributed regularly at a definite time. Newspapers provides various local, national and international news. Newspapers are called the fourth column, that is a pillar of democracy. They are historical documents which record current events. Even newspapers are also considered as a historical documents. In recent times, many newspapers have introduced e-newspapers. Now, different means of conveying king's order to the people, like in Egypt and Emperor Ashoka. During that time, custom of placing inscription with royal decrees at public places. They used to print and the seal was there and this type of messages were given. Roman Empire decrees written on papers and various information were distributed in all regions. Julius Caesar newspaper named Acta Duranus used to be placed at public places in Rome to convey royal commands. In 7th century CE, China royal dictates were distributed among people at public places. In England, handouts were distributed giving information on important events or war. The ambassadors of a king posted at various places would send back important news to the royal court. So these were the earlier modes, means of communication. Now what is a news? A community needs news for the same reason that a man needs eyes. It has to see where it is going, says British author Dame Rebecca West. News is information from all over the land. The medium which prints the information is newspaper. England Gazette was the first newspaper started in England in 1966. James Augustus Hickey started the Bengal Gazette and laid the foundation of newspaper in India. In the later period, many newspapers were printed in English and regional languages also. Bengal Gazette was the first English newspaper but which was started in India in Calcutta. It was started by the Irish James Augustus Hickey. It was called Calcutta General Advertiser or Bengal Gazette. Now, another newspapers which were started by we Indians also, like Darpan. It was started by Bal Shastri Jambhekar, first newspaper in Marathi. Then Prabhakar, Bahu Mahajan. We get to read throughout history of French Revolution. The letters of Lokhitvadi, that is Gopal Hari Deshmukh, were published in Prabhakar. It aimed at creating social awareness. Then Jnanoday printed maps of Asia. Illustrations were printed for the first time in this newspaper. Then installation of telegraph was reported in this paper. Printed Chakya Masoba, that is the news about beginning of the railway services in India. The Chakya Masoba is a Marathi word which was given to a railway engine, railway locomotive. Then Indu Prakash, it was showing work of social awakening, supported the cause of widow remarriage. Then Dinabandhu, it was started by Krishna Rao Balekar, close associate of Mahatma Phule. Kesari and Maratha, you all know student, it was started by Gopal Ganesh Agarkar and Lokmanya Tilak. So these were the some of our Indian newspaper which was started by we Indian, our social activists or our national leaders, because they were very much important. Then there are different types of means of communication. There are magazines and journals, that they are periodicals. Means magazines which are published at regular intervals are called periodicals. Then early magazines were started by Balshastri Jambekar, started the first monthly magazine in Marathi known as Digdarshan. Pragati was also there. It was started by Shankar Shezwalkar. Marathi journals like Bhartiya Itihas and Sanskruti and Marathwada Itihas, Parishad Patrika are periodicals. Now a periodical is anything that comes out with regular issues. A daily newspaper, a weekly news magazine, a monthly journal and an annual book series are all examples of periodical. Then electronic and digital journalism. Electronic or digital journalism or web journalism is practiced using ultra modern technology like the computers and internet. You all know students, today we are very much close to it. Then web news portal, social media, web channel, YouTube provides historical content for reader. Then radio is also a means of communication, that is AIR. A private radio company, Indian Broadcasting Company, that is IBC, broadcasted daily programs which was later taken over by the British government, that is Radio Akashvani. Akashvani, that is Alexander Graham Bell, invented the telephone in 1876. Words were communicated, traveled from one place to other using wires. Then telegrams, that is wireless communication, was invented by Italian scientist Guglielmo in Marconi, 1896. The first radio center was started by British Broadcasting Company, which was established in 1922. Now all these were, through this introduction and explanation, you learn about the mass media communication. Now this mass media, today also media plays important role in our life, because without media we are not there. Morning till evening different news were broadcasted, and as we are the citizen of our nation, it is our right to know what is happening in our surrounding through proper channels. But listening to the news, but analyzing it, whether it is right, correct or wrong, we have to check out those things also, how much the news is libel, it is fact is there. So all these things are related to a citizen's life, and this means of communications are very important. Thank you students.